Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to use a wonderful software that we use called Trello. It's kind of like a Gantt chart and a little calendar that we utilize for our projects. This is really important for the junior analysts to use to delegate certain tasks to the research specialists. This is important for everyone to use often throughout the semester. What we're going to do is we're going to invite you to join a board that one of the project managers will create for you. So you're going to get an email from one of the project managers, and I can kind of show you what that email looks like. So this is, oh, sorry, this isn't the right one. So this is what the invitation will look like. It should just be a little link that you can click on, and that is where you're going to create your profile for your Trello page. Okay, so don't create your Trello account through the actual website. Create it after you click on the link that we send you, okay? And if you haven't gotten that link, let us know and we'll get that to you so you can get set up. So this is a great example of a junior analyst that really utilized his Trello page. You can format it however you would like. I really like this method that he made, honestly. There's lists that show different tasks that need to be done, and he has ordered from left to right all the tasks that need to be completed. So, for example, let's say you need to create a matrix. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to add the card here, and it's going to create an event. But the nice thing about it is once you put it here, you can do a lot of different things to make sure that this task gets done, okay? So one of the things that you're going to do is you're going to edit the labels, and you can categorize it to however you want it to be. So these are some of the labels they already had. You can put this as a maintenance document, but this is really nice because the labels can help you organize the different sections that need to be done in a project, okay? So now it looks really nice because we have this label here. We have the task, it's in the pool, but let's say we want to assign it to someone, okay? So what we can do, and let me refigure this out real quick. Give me just a little second here. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the card itself. You can add a description here. You can add a checklist of things that need to be done. So let's say we need to add columns to the matrix, okay? So we can have that right here. We can also say add rows, pretty much whatever you need it to be. Oh, sorry, so this is gonna be like the title of the checklist. So to do list for matrix. So you're going to title what the checklist is going to be. It's going to have a wonderful progress bar right here for you to check what you need to get done. And this is how you add items. So let's say we need to add some columns, or we need to find some phone numbers. It's really nice because you can list out the tasks that need to be done for this item. When you're done, you can go through and check on these boxes, and it'll show the progress that you've made, okay? Something else you can do is you can write some comments here that maybe say, hey, we missed this, or we need to add this. Something else that's really nice to do is you can put a due date on it. So let's say we want to make it due by the 7th at 12 p.m. You can save it there, and it'll show you kind of the timeline for that, okay? Something else that you can do, you can attach certain items, you can link it to Google Drive. So instead of always going through the Google Drive folder to pull up whatever you need, you can just use the Google Drive feature as well if you want to power up the Trello website. There's also members, so you can assign it to certain people. So let's say I wanted to assign it to myself or tackle it on with somebody else, maybe Kyle. You can assign it and it'll show who's in charge of these tabs here, okay? So once you've assigned somebody, and let's say this is the pool, you can put this right here on your next up list of things to do. And let's say this becomes the next priority, then you move it over here to working. Then you can slide it over to completed. And lastly, to reviewed once you've reviewed it and once it's completely done. So the idea is to move the cards over as you go so you keep track of everything. We really want you to utilize this so nothing falls through the cracks. If you have any questions, let us know. There's so many things you can do here, and we're really excited for you to get organized and get working on your projects. Thanks, guys.